Check this out, boys. How cool is this, man? If you've never been to Tri-5 Nationals, you're missing out. This is a super cool place. Bowling Green, Kentucky. It's full of 55, 56, and 57s. Look at all these cars. 57. Look at all these wagons. You guys wagon fans? Check these out. Everywhere you look, 55, 56, 57 Chevys. How cool is this? I love it, man. Such a cool show. Look at this thing.
Just think about how much the bird cage cost you.
Oh, I know. Here's one telling how much money he's got this thing. That sucker is on the ground, baby. Inside's cool. Oh, then you get up here and you get to the real cool stuff. Check that out. Dang. On the top, it's almost like a brown or something with sparkles all in it.
Yeah.
Wow. How often you see one of them? Dude, look at the motor in this. Oh, look at this gasser race car, man, with a super cool paint job. That is so wild. Dude, 55 gasser with like one of the craziest paint jobs ever. Tri-5 National, baby. Oh my gosh, that's cool. Look at that. Sweet 55 with a huge blower on it. Yeah, that's cool. 55, 56, another 55, flat black. Oh, what we got over here? 57. Oh, then we go over here, another couple 55s. Man, this is cool. Everywhere you look. Dude, man, the wagon matches. Dude, look at all the work you had to do to that thing. Oh, it is so sweet.
Don't just come out.
Wow. Oh, out of all these cars and trucks so far, this is my favorite. Like, that is my style right there. Dude, check out his taillights, bro. That is so awesome. Look at the bed. Wow. I dig that big time. Yeah, you can't even get your finger under it, man. That is crazy cool, ain't it?
No, that one.
I love that thing.
I mean, he's kind of cool.
Isn't that thing cool? I dig it. I know, I love it.
It's like you know, it reminds me of Jeepers Creepers.
I know, it's so cool. There's all kinds of cool 55, 56, and 57s here, but we haven't seen many convertibles, and this thing stands out. Good grief! About to tuck myself out with a rope. Wow, look at that motor, brother. Oh, that is so sweet, ain't it? Look at that. Hey, I hear a boost. Look at the inside, dude. That is so awesome. Man, you a gasser fan? Check that out. Good grief, this is cool. And you got the sparkles like a bass boat, baby. Got some mud tires on the back. Man, you boys got the setup with a fan in the shade. You even got a little three-wheeler to cruise around in. I love it. We need some fans and a three-wheeler. Come here and check this out, guys. You picking the red 55 or the black one? The black one's got a cool blower on it, and dude, you can't hardly see it. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's got like purple ghost flames. Like, whoever painted this was bad to the bone. The red one's awesome, the black one's awesome. Which one you guys picking? Both got big fat tires. Guys, this is one of the coolest shows you could go to. There's so many cool cars here. It's like, which one do I look at next? It's like, look over here, look over there. There's also a big swap meet here, guys. Like, cool old parts everywhere. That thing sounds awesome, dude. Oh, yeah. A golf cart to match their car. Wow, girls driving. That is cool. They got daddy's money. I bet it is. I bet their daddy's rich. Wow. Big old ginormous blower on that thing, man. Yes. Okay, guys. Which one you picking? Dang, this is such a cool event. these guys are not super fast, but they're just cool old guys with some cool cars that get out and race them. It's awesome. And you ain't got to be super fast to enjoy it. This is a blast. Gray one or the black one? Leave it in the comments, baby. I think I'm going with the gray one, I guess. Oh, yeah. I like the red one. I'm going with that one. That sucker sounds mean. Oh, yeah. I'll go with that one. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Come on, baby. Here we go. Guys, how do you beat this? Seriously. Oh, that's one kind of looks like Sean's car. Look at that chop top wagon. Child support. Chop top wagon. Parachute. Heck yeah.
That's 10.7 right there.
Dude, that runs pretty dang good then. Heck yeah. And cool orange wagon. 56. Oh man, look at that blue 55 down there. Blue's usually not my color, but that thing is super sweet. Big old fat tires on it. Ooh, carbon fiber everywhere, bro. Dude, it's even got flake in it, Eric.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
How did you notice that long ago?
I didn't either. How you doing, man?
Good, you?
You're pretty good. Jeez, that is awesome. Oh, look at that orange one. That's cool too. How you beat an orange and white 55 Chevy with a parachute on it. Man, that's crazy cool. Cool wheels too. All right, guys, you picking the orange and white one or that baby blue one back there? Another convertible. I'm definitely not a convertible guy, but these things stand out, baby. Got a whole bunch of cars, and this baby stands out. I like it. I like it. And there's a bunch of wagons here. That's crazy. Too cool. How y'all doing?
Good. How you doing?
Pretty good. A little hot, but other than that, we're good. Oh, yeah, baby. Check this wagon out. Work in progress, I guess. That's some cool turbos though. Yeah, tubbed out. That car is like perfect. Oh, dude, I wish we just drive that home. It looks comfortable.
It wouldn't take as long to home.
Dude, look at that. Check out the motor on that thing, son. Man. These cars are immaculate. Like, I mean, super nice cars. There's cool cars everywhere, but these cars here are like top notch, I guess, in this little roped off area. All these cars in this area is just like top notch, ain't they? Like, holy cow, top notch. Wow. That is crazy, ain't it? Look at them wheels. Eric, dude, how often do you see a 57 Chevy pulling a boat? It's so cool. And it matches. Good grief. You guys want to go to the car show, then go for a fishing trip afterwards? Golly, it's cool. Look at that bad boy. I'm about to get run over. Sorry, guys. How y'all doing? Oh, yeah, look at all. Ooh, a blower car, baby. Wagon blower car. Then you got another one right here. Golly, look at that, man. Look at the valve covers, Eric. Eric, somebody's got some time and money in this thing, don't they?
The pinstriping
Dude,
alone.
I know. It's unreal, ain't it?
The pinstriping alone is insane.
Wow. The valve covers. This car is so crazy. Look, another blower car. We have like a bunch of blower cars. Dude, 9 seconds, Eric. These are 9-second cars. Yeah. Look at that bad boy. Gosh, dude, look at the tires on that thing, bro. Oh, look at his passenger.
He's hit some pretty rough.
Oh man, bro, it's got a chute on it, baby. Sweet little 55 there, probably an everyday driver. Oh, then look at this gasser. Oh yeah, boy. Old school right there, son. Looks like it's doing a wheelie. It's just sitting still, dude. Yes. Oh yeah. Too cool. Man. Oh, dude, look at them fender well headers. Look how cool that looks. Oh, look at all these gassers. Oh, look at the purple one. Daddy's money, baby. Oh, yeah. Which one y'all picking? Red or green or purple? Oh, look at the yellow tint. Where? Oh, yeah. All right, guys, we're at the Tri-5 Nationals, and this is what these dudes pull these rigs with. Holy cow, you cannot hide money. That is unreal. They travel the country in them things. How nice would that be? Pulling an awesome race car or show car, whatever they got. They probably got all kinds of stuff. Wow. Oh, look at this 57. That looks old school for sure. Man, that is too cool, baby. 10? Man, it'd be cool to have it. See you, boys. 10 grand for it. What do you think? Right now it's so hot I'd give it. I'm John Culbertson. We got a YouTube channel, Boosted Behavior. We film all kinds of stuff. We've seen both these cars. I had no idea if this one was yours too. I've seen this several times, like Lake Ozarks. Every time I got a video, and I'm like, oh my gosh, you got it. What's your name and what do you do, brother?
James Goggin. I own Accelerator Transporting.
Dude.
Transport cars all over the U.S.
No kidding. So what's the story with this one? Get up here close, brother. We got to hear this man.
This car here, I had my very first 55. It was a black one like this. I got it out of Texas, and it was a 150. Just a basic car, but it had a blower, and it kind of started getting me going.
Yeah.
And some friends of mine, Charlie and Alan and Bobby and them guys,
yeah,
they are all into the 55 scene. Well, I'm a Mopar guy,
God.
And I kept seeing their 55s, and I'm like,
I need one.
I'm really liking it.
Yeah.
So I drove to Texas, got my first one as a 150. Ended up selling to a guy in New York.
Yeah.
And then I just started I'm like, man, I got to get another one.
Need another one?
Well, a friend of mine, Alan, he told me, he goes, I'll sell the orange one to you. So I bought that car.
Yeah.
Well, this car here was a local car of a guy building from way back when that another friend of mine had purchased. Well, he called me on Sunday and said, hey, man, I want to sell my car.
Wow. And you're like, heck yeah.
I was there in 20 minutes.
Wow.
And, I grabbed money and I headed that way.
Dude, the
and,
paint's unreal.
Yeah, it's a nice car. The underneath of it, I buffed the underside of this car.
Wow, dude.
And polished on it. I've stuck the wheels and tires, lowered it.
Sweet.
I had the windows tinted and stuff by a local tint shop. He did really well. It's got a hood and stuff on there at the shop.
Yeah, but with a motor like that, you can't have a hood on it, dude.
So I removed the hood and just kind of show it.
So what motor is it?
It's a 468, nothing too crazy.
Yeah.
With a little 671 blower. It runs good. I didn't buy it to race it.
Yeah, just
I bought the car to cruise it.
Yeah.
It's got full back seat.
It looks comfortable.
My kids, I can throw the whole family in and we can go cruising.
That's cool, dude.
And that's the reason I wanted to.
Okay, this is awesome. Now tell us about that, because this one here is a bad boy, son. What's the story on this sucker?
This car is just kind of tuned down right now. We ran it natural this weekend.
Trying to run the 10-second class, I
Trying to run a
guess?
10-0, you know,
Okay.
right in that area. It just broke out at 10:06. I let out of it and still broke out. But it's actually a natural, running it natural today, but it's a nitrous car.
Wow.
And it normally
This car is
it normally runs a 500 shot of nitrous, and it runs high eights. It's a high
wow.
car.
8-second 55.
And you can drive it on the street.
How
all day
cool
long.
is that, dude? So what motor are you running in it? A 468, you said?
No, that was a 468.
Okay, that was
this is a 590.
598 with a 500 shot of nitrous, dude.
Yeah,
What
it's-
transmission's this one got?
It's got a Rossley.
Wow, this thing is bad to the bone, dude. So, is both these cars, is that what you got? Is 255s, or do you got some other
I got
stuff?
another 55 that I'm getting ready to start building, and I wanna do a 6.0 with a Pro
Oh,
Charger.
cool!
And do a fuel injected one, and then I'll have to best of all
Dang, that's
three.
cool, man.
And then we can cruise it when we want. go
Heck
long distance,
yeah.
And
Put air conditioner in it.
air conditioning and whole 9 yards.
Well, dude, super cool talking to you, man. And we've got to set up a date to come to your shop and check out all your stuff, man. Dang, this guy's all. What was your company again?
Accelerator Transport.
Dang it, boys. All right, hey, we're going to go look at some more stuff, but this dude's awesome. All right, guys. Don't come to the 55, try 5, whatever nationals. I'm so hot I can't talk unless you got a golf cart. I've been walking for hours and I've seen like half of this. I'm not kidding you. You need a golf cart bad. Somebody, will you please give us a golf cart for this thing next time? I even tried to rent one, $106, but they were sold out. It's probably a good thing because I'm so hot and tired, I probably would have rented the dang thing. Anyway, man, they made a killing renting golf carts. We need somebody to donate a golf cart. I'll sponsor the crap out of you. I'll put your name on it and I'll tell everybody that you give us a golf cart. Oh man, I love it. This thing's cool. Try 5 Nationals. That's where it's at, baby. Whoop, whoop. Here comes a cool car. Looky here, baby. Oh, cool stuff everywhere.
Rep Los Angeles, let's roll together. Cruising the streets, this is boosted behavior.